डियर चिल्ड्रन, आपको कल नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया में बारे में पढ़ा रहा था, इमरजेंस ऑफ महात्मा गांधी। इसमें द आइडिया ऑफ सत्याग्रह, मीनिंग ऑफ सत्याग्रह, सत्याग्रह इन इंडिया के बारे में पढ़ाया था। उसके आगे पेज नंबर 51 पर देखें, सम प्लेसेज पर सत्याग्रह रियली अफेक्टेड द सोसाइटी आर गिवन बिलो। अब देखिए सत्याग्रह के द्वारा कहाँ का समाज प्रभावित हुआ। सबसे पहले चंपारण, बिहार। इन 1960 गांधी जी went to Champaran in Bihar. His purpose was to inspire the peasants to struggle against the oppressive plantation system. Their indigo planters were oppressed to grow indigo and sell it to low price fixed by European owners. Kheda, Gujarat. In 1917, crops fell in Kheda district of Gujarat. Hence, the people were suffering from shortage of food and plague epidemic. प्लेग से बोलते हो, प्लेग एपिडेमिक, प्लेग की महामारी आई थी उस समय। कब आई थी? 1917 और 18 में। So they asked government for reduction or reduction in the land revenue, but the government refused to remit land revenue and insisted on its collection in full. Gandhi ji supported the peasants and advised them not to pay revenue until their demand of its remission was met. This movement proved a great success as government issued the instruction that the revenue should be recovered only from those peasants who could afford to pay. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel heartily supported accompanied Gandhiji in this movement. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. In 1918, Mahatma Gandhi interfered in a dispute between the workers and cotton mills owner of Ahmedabad. He advised the workers to go on strike until their demands were met. Rowlatt Act. The Rowlatt Act. What was the Rowlatt Act? The Rowlatt Act of 1980. The Rowlatt Act was hurriedly passed by the Imperial Legislative Council on the basis of a report of a sedition committee headed by the Justice Rowlatt. Through this act, the government gave enormous power to the police to make search in any place and arrest any person without a warrant and hold the trial without jury. This bill was called as a Black Bills. There was widespread protest in the country against their passage. In spite of popular agitation and Gandhiji warning that in case the Black Bills were passed, he would be forced to launch satyagraha, the bills became an act. Hurtal and arrest of leaders. Gandhiji called for a countrywide hurtal on 6 April 1919. For doing so, he was arrested at Palwal. The news of this arrest spread all through like wildfire. People came to streets in Delhi, Ahmedabad and Punjab. In Amritsar, two popular leaders Dr. Satpal and Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu were also arrested. The people took out procession in Amritsar to protest against these arrests and demanded the prompt release of their leaders. They were stopped by the police on the way and fired upon twice. Big bomb took vengeance upon an European that came its way. The government rushed troops to the city of Amritsar and moved desperate away. This happened on 10th April 1990. The Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. The public meeting was announced for the 13 April 1919 at Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar. The people were allowed to assemble there. After they had gathered there in thousands, General Dyer marched there with a more corps and troops. Without giving any warning to the people to disperse, he ordered firing on unarmed and peaceful people. The casualty of Indians were too heavy. Dyer's purpose in doing so was to produce a moral effect, to create in the minds of satyagrahis a feeling of terror and awe. This massacre of innocent people in thousands turned Mahatma Gandhi into a non-corporator. Reaction: as the news of Jallianwala Bagh massacre, separate crowds took to the streets in many North India towns. There were strike clashes with the police and attack on the government building. Brutal repression. The government responded with the brutal repression, seeking to humiliate and treasury people. Satyagrahis were forced to do as under, to rub their nose on the ground, to crawl on the streets and to do salute to all Sahib. People were forced and villages around Gujranwala in Punjab, now in Pakistan, were bombed. Seeing violence spread, Mahatma Gandhi called a movement. Conclusion: for the Rowlatt Satyagraha had been widespread movement. It was still limited to cities and towns. Mahatma Gandhi felt to need to launch a more broad-based movement which would unite both Hindus and Muslims. Now, Khalifat issue, that is Khalifat Andolan. The treaty, the First World War 1940-18 was over with defeat of Ottoman Turkey, which had fought against the British. According to the treaty imposed upon Turkey, Turkey was to be divided. The division means that the ruler of Turkey, who was also a spiritual head of the Islamic world, the Khalifa, could also his position. Protest. The protest against this, the Muslim of India, under the leadership of Muhammad and Shaukat Ali, popularly known as Ali Brothers, decided to launch a movement. Gandhiji saw in this a golden opportunity to cement Hindu-Muslim relation and bring the nationalist movement under the single umbrella. Calcutta session. At the Calcutta session of Congress in September 1920, Gandhiji convinced the members for the need to launch a non-corporation movement in support of Khilafat and for Swaraj. Despite some hesitation, the proposal was accepted at the Nagpur session of the Congress in December 1920. Now, non-corporation movement next day.